Hey Envy Beauties. Today will just be a video of me behind the scenes and everything, how to make the lash and everything.
Zay? Okay, let's get it now. I'm with a bad bitch. Sorry. I don't say hi, I say hey to the band. To the band.
Today's video will be me making my Brady Lash, which is one of my most popular lashes on TikTok and on my website also. If you didn't know, I am Z. I am the CEO of EnvyBeauties Cosmetics. I make custom lash and sell all beauty essential products that you would definitely need. Enhance your beauty. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video. You already know. Comment anything you want to ask me. Any questions or anything. I hope y'all have a beautiful, wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I sparked your day like I always do. See y'all in my next video. First, I would start off by grabbing my practice strips and laying them out. And I would pre-lay out all the strips and lengths that I need and the curls. Sometimes I do, sometimes I just go pick them up as I go. And I would get my bonder. That's what helped make that wet, spiky look that I do for the Brady Lash. And then I'll start preparing the glue by shaking it out to make sure that it's mixed in very good, well. Once I got everything prepared, that's when I would place the fins on the strips and start creating the Brady Lash. So I did speed up the process because usually it could take up to an hour to an hour 30 minutes to create lashes. And yes, I was on the phone as I was creating the lashes, so that's why you see me just making hand gestures and stuff like that. So I wanted to show how 1/4 strip will look on the last strip, and it would be like this, just starting off. So basically I would do the same thing for the other side and just put the same length in the curl to make sure that everything is the same exact on each side. And then that's the other side with me adding the 4 strip on both sides. And yes, and that's how it should look starting off. And then that's when I was add my other layer, and that will be like a different. So when you pinch the lashes, you want to pinch them, but open tweezers slowly, but don't open it too much. And then you will just dip in the glue, and then you'll have a perfect base. And that's me just showing it. Then I would add it to the lash that's needed. And then that's how it looks. Still not completed. Then I'll do the same thing, pinch, open tweezers slowly, but not too much. And then you would dip it in the glue. And I did it again. Another one. Pinch. And then open slowly. So next I would bring out my binder, but actually get that wet, spiky look or that bratty lash look. And so what I would do, I would just add it on the fans, on the lashes, lash extensions, and just make them as wet as possible. And then I would get like a lash brush to like just, you know, make the spikes more smaller and thinner. And then I would let it just dry for a minute. And then once it dried, it would still hold that place. And then I would just pinch it like I did with the other fans and just add it. Now this is our finished look. The customer had ordered her lash in light. She didn't want it too thick. So this is the finished look of the bratty lash. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thumbs up this video. Thank you for watching my video and the behind the scenes of me making my proper bratty lash. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye, EnvyBeauties.